Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed a simple heuristic function for 8 puzzle game and we have seen how the heuristic values are calculated for different moves that are possible. In this video we will discuss a better heuristic for a 8 puzzle game. This heuristic is more global in nature. Global means it considers not only the local position of a tile but also the global location of the tile and its positioning with respect to its neighboring tiles. That is why this heuristic is a better heuristic. So let us first understand how to calculate this heuristic. So this heuristic says that you add 1 point for each tile in the right location and you subtract 1 point for each tile for each move that we are required to take in order to move the tile to the right location. That means if the tile is in the proper position, you add 1. But if tile is not in the proper position, then how many tiles you have to move it further in order to reach the proper position. So for example, here we can see that currently the tile 4 is in the first place, but in the goal it should be in the first place of the second row. So what is the distance? A distance of 1 tile is there. So as we can see here, this is for 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4, we have placed a value of -1. Now let us do it for 1. 1 should be in the top corner, but it is here. How many tiles away? 1, 2, 3 tiles away. So we have placed a value of -3. 2 is in the proper position, so +1. 3 is in the proper position, so +1. From where we are getting the positions? From this goal state. Now 5 should be present at this place as we can see here, but it is in the first place of the second row. So 1 move is required to bring it to the proper position. So -1 is placed here. Then similarly for 6 should be here in the corner, but it is at this lower end. So we need 1, 2, 3 moves. So for 6 also -3 is done. Similarly, we will do for all the 8 tiles and we will calculate the value and we are getting a value of -8. Similarly, we will do for the left move if we are selecting in the right move and we will get the heuristic. So we get -8, -8 and -7. And as we can understand, if we get a positive value, that means more tiles are in the proper position. And if we get a negative value, that means more tiles are in improper structures where their neighboring tiles are also disturbed. Therefore, the value of -7 is better than the -8. And as we can see here, for this particular heuristic, we are getting a clear choice that we should make a move towards the right. One thing that we have to understand is heuristics are guessworks and therefore they may or may not always indicate the correct move. But why we then follow the heuristic when it is not guaranteed to give the best result? Because heuristic will help you in moving towards the solution in a bit fast manner where it is a blind alley. We don't know what lies in the future if we select a particular move. So heuristic is a guided guess and it is not an accurate guess but an estimate. So this estimate may or may not always be correct. So multiple heuristics are possible, as we have seen in the previous video. There was a different heuristic and in this video there is a different heuristic. So selection of the heuristic is also an important concept that we should understand, that which heuristic is more global in nature and considering more factors. So on basis of that we will select a heuristic. I hope this video is useful to you in understanding various types of heuristics which are possible and how do we compare the different heuristics, which one is global, which one is local. Thank you very much for watching the video.